Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of Euro USD. Yes, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. As you can see right now, Euro USD is trading above this trend line. So if you are thinking that you should go ahead and buy right now, then please wait and watch the complete video so that you get the complete picture. If you have watched my previous video on Euro USD, then I clearly mentioned that we should not trade until and unless market crosses this trend line on the upside, because this trend line was acting as a resistance for the market. And on the other hand, we should not trade until and unless market crosses this support level on the downside, because after the FOMC meeting, when all the support levels were gone, all the support levels were shattered, this was the level that was acting as a support to the market, or this was the level that tried to provide some temporary support to the market. And market was trading in a very crucial zone, because market was trading in this particular zone between the tight range of the support and the resistance. It was tightly packed. Okay, it was trading here. That's why I told you that you should observe the market carefully, and until and unless market crosses any other level, you should not trade. And right now, if you look at the chart, then you can clearly see that Euro USD is trading above this line. Okay. So in simple words, Euro USD is trading above the resistance right now. So does it mean that we should buy? No, we should not buy, because if you remove these drawings, or if I remove these drawings, okay, and if I just ask you to just look at this particular portion of the market, then what do you see? Do you see any bullishness in the market? Do you see the buying interest? Just try to understand the market emotion here. Try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, do not try to act like a robot. Try to understand the market emotion here. Though Euro USD is trading above the trend line, though Euro USD is trading above the resistance, but still, do you see any buying pressure? Do you see any bullishness, interest of the buyers to take the market upward? No, the bullishness is missing, the buying pressure is missing. As a result, this is not the ideal position to buy, because market is flat. You can clearly see that there is no movement in the market, and as we all know, if there is no movement in the market, then it is not possible to make money from the market. Therefore, though Euro USD is trading above this level, still this is not the ideal position to buy. And if I take you to the currency strength meter, okay, this is the currency strength meter. It's a free tool. You can get in the currency tool meter in the currencyquake.com. Okay, and in the daily chart also, you can see that euro is standing at 3.9, and whereas dollar is trending at 5.4. And as I've clearly mentioned in my earlier videos, that whenever you get a scenario like this, whenever you see that dollar, euro and USD is almost of the equal strength, then there will be a sideways market. For a trending market, one currency needs to be strong and one currency needs to be weak. But whenever we get a scenario like this, we get a sideways market. And we can clearly see on the chart, you can see on the chart that right now there is a battle going on between the euro and the USD. And if you look at the chart of US dollar, okay, this is the DXY chart, and right now I'm in the 4 hours time frame here also. You can see that dollar looks bullish. Yes, dollar is still bullish. After the NFP report, there was some selling pressure in the market, but if you look at the chart here, then still the overall structure of US dollar still looks bullish. And as I have already mentioned in my earlier videos, that dollar will remain bullish until and unless it reaches this resistance 93.35. Therefore, I am very much bullish on US dollar, and as we all know, if dollar starts going up, then euro will start going down. So dollar is bullish, so there is a possibility that if dollar starts going up, then euro will start going down. Okay. And right now, as I have clearly shown you that the picture of Euro USD not much clear because the buying pressure is missing, and still to convince you I would like to take you to the currencies Forex sentiment meter. Okay, if you do not know about the Forex sentiment meter, then please go to my website avilashhazarika.com, and under the Forex 101 section you will find the Forex sentiment meter. And in the Forex sentiment meter also you can see that 40% retail traders have taken short position and 59% retail traders have taken long position. And whenever we get a scenario like this, okay, you can clearly see that, okay, traders are also confused, retail traders are also confused, they are not inclined towards a particular side, rather 40% and 59%, they are also confused right now, they are also thinking, not sure where the market will go. And most importantly, if you go to the Forex volatility calculator, then you can see that this is the Euro USD, and in the 1 minute chart there is only movement of 0.8 pips, whereas in the 5 minute chart there is a movement of 1 pip. In the 30 minutes chart there is a movement of only 2.8 pips. On the 1 hour chart, movement of 5.1 pips. In the 4 hours chart, only movement of 10 pips. And in the daily chart there is just a movement of 29 pips. So this is the current volatility going on in the Euro USD, and this is not the currency pair that you should be trading right now. So if you ask me, Abhilash, what is your opinion on Euro USD, then I'll say that you need to wait, my dear brother and sisters. You need to wait until and unless we get a proper movement here. Yes, Euro USD is the most popular Forex pair. I know it very, very well, but that does not mean you should be loyal towards Euro USD only. There are plenty of currency pairs available with good amount of opportunities to make money. So this is not the ideal position or ideal pair to trade right now, because see, though market is standing above the resistance level, okay, there is not much movement. So there is one possibility here that after hitting this 50 moving average, market may see selling pressure and may go down. So in case it starts going down after hitting the 50 moving average, then you can take a short position, because the stochastic RSI is also clearly indicating us that Euro USD is in overbought zone. Therefore, that may be one trading possibility or trading opportunity for us right now. But in this present chart, there is not much movement, and though it is Euro USD, but still I'll say that you should avoid Euro USD right now, because there is no movement in the market, so there is no use of trading here. Rather, you can go for this CHF I just found out in the morning that CHF looks pretty good in this chart right now, and you can see that CHF is just standing at the support level. Okay, and I'm just hoping that I'll get a better price at 120.20, and after hitting the 120.20 level, if it starts going up, then we can initiate a buy position. But right now, okay, we can wait for some better price. But Euro USD is not the forex pair or the currency pair that you should be trading right now, because try to understand the market psychology here, try to focus on the market emotion here. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. See ya tomorrow again. Bye bye.